Now viewers, I just got back from a small trip. Found some TVs dumped in the bush. One was a Centrex, exactly like the one I've got, with a vintage TV. So I decided to crack it open. Got the circuit board out. Nice flyback on that one. About a 30 kV. Nice score. I stripped the neck board right off. Came off quite cleanly. And this one came out of an LG. 2007 LG TV, and this has got the same as the one I fed on the side of the road before. And this one here, look at the flyback on it. That's two of these big ass flybacks I got now. That's a big flyback. Looking at the specs on the cable, 50 kilovolts DC. So this will be at least a 40 kV flyback. That'll be good to charge up the PMC bank. Nice power supply, good bridge rectifier. Sweet. I wonder what voltage has come off this thing. Don't know, it might take too much to run. Either way, get some good cat in the cat bank. It's a 450 volt, 470 microfarad. Nice switch rectifier, as I said. This other one here's got another 450 volt Drycon, 150 microfarad, 15 watt, 4R7. Lots of useful components on here. And that's the chip there that has all the games on it. Panda 12, it's got written on it. The audio amp on this one, TDA 7297 audio amp. See if I can try and cut that one out and trace the pins back and find where it all connects to. Looks like it goes around here. Around there. Input, there's the outputs. Then the inputs will be here somewhere. So it looks like I've got a cut around there, and I should get it in that little square. And just run some wires to it. Again, I got a good little audio amplifier out of it. And there's a left and right speaker outputs. Yeah, a lot of useful components on these TVs. There's the brains of the TV. It's a plug top. Kak Chetong Shin, the brand. It's a pre-sleeved type thing. Good how it all came out in one piece. Quite happy with that. Anyway, that's tomorrow's project. I'll strip these down and get some good goodies off it. Man, that's a big flyback. The size of it. It wasn't HD, but it had DVD component. 2 sets of focus. So yeah, it would have been a nice TV. But I couldn't get it as a whole. It was too big and bulky, so it was a quick stop. So I just gutted them, got the bits I wanted, and went and got out of there. Must have been a PIP module too, I think. LG brand. No, I don't think it was digital. I didn't realise. I don't think it was a digital one TV. Either way, it's got the component there. That's a big flyback. Alright, it's not an awesome one for the collection. You get a good priming on that too. As per usual, a loose ferrite, that's no big problem. That one there's got a nice big gap in it. I can put a big priming in that one. I wonder if that's a Yingfa, being from a Centrex TV. This one didn't have an American made CIT though, so. What brand's that one? Hinshan 2 Fittings Co Limited. Yeah, it's very similar to a Yingfa. Either way, they'll have good output on it. It's quite a nice flyback. Very nice flyback. Anyway, it's a nice diodes and everything on this thing. Lots of goodies. This was a DVD TV, 100 Hz. This does all the decoding for DVD quality picture. 3rd week of 2008, so it's a 4-year-old TV. First for 2nd 2002, that bit was made. That board there was a power supply. The date in this main board, probably at least 2006, 2007. I can't find a date code on this one. There's a brains there. This 100 Hz board here, decoder board, 3rd week of 2008, so it was a relatively new TV. There's those, the MOSFET that drives a flyback. I've got a couple of those. I think that's the vertical output, I think. Either way, the Chang Hong brand filter choke. Big switching transformer. Driver switching, driver transistor. I might see if I can power this power supply up on its own if it powers up. See what voltages I can get off it. Might make for a good stable benchtop power supply. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.